During World War II, military logistics depended heavily on trucks. Both Germany and the Allied forces relied on thousands of transport vehicles to move troops, weapons, and supplies across the battlefield. In this video, we're comparing German trucks and Allied trucks used during World War II to see how they supported their armies. The GMC CCKW 2.5-ton truck was one of the most important Allied logistics vehicles of World War II. Often called the Deuce and the Half, it transported troops, ammunition, and supplies across Europe and other theaters. With hundreds of thousands produced, it became the backbone of American military transport. The Studebaker US6 was widely used by Allied forces during World War II. Large numbers of these trucks were supplied to the Soviet Union through the Lend-Lease program. Its strong engine and durable design made it ideal for transporting troops and military supplies. The Dodge WC series included a range of light military trucks used by the United States Army. These vehicles served as troop transports, weapons carriers, and utility trucks. Their compact size and reliability made them highly versatile on the battlefield. The Bedford QL was a standard British military truck used during World War II. It transported troops, fuel, and equipment across battlefields in Europe and North Africa. Its rugged construction allowed it to operate effectively in difficult terrain. The AEC Matador was a heavy artillery tractor used by the British Army during World War II. Its powerful engine allowed it to tow large artillery guns and heavy equipment across the battlefield. The ZS-5 was one of the main transport trucks used by the Soviet Red Army during World War II. It carried troops, ammunition, and military supplies across the Eastern Front. Its simple design made it easy to repair and maintain even in harsh wartime conditions. The GA-ZAA was a light cargo truck widely used by Soviet forces during World War II. Based on an earlier Ford design, it transported supplies and troops throughout the war. The Chevrolet G506 was a medium cargo truck used by the United States Army during World War II. It transported troops, equipment, and supplies across multiple battlefronts. The Ford F-60 was produced in Canada and widely used by Allied forces during World War II. It served as a cargo truck transporting troops, ammunition, and military equipment. The Austin K5 was a British military truck designed for transporting troops and equipment. It was widely used by the British Army during World War II in various logistical roles. The Diamond T968 was a heavy cargo truck used by the United States Army during World War II. It transported troops, supplies, and heavy equipment across various battlefronts. The Mack No was a powerful heavy tractor used by the United States Army to tow large artillery guns. Its strong engine and rugged design made it ideal for pulling heavy weapons across rough terrain. The Albion CX-22 was a British cargo truck used during World War II. It transported military supplies and equipment to frontline units. The Leyland Retriever was a British military truck used for transporting troops and supplies. It served across several battlefronts during World War II. The International Harvester M56 was another cargo truck used by the United States Army during World War II. It transported troops, ammunition, and equipment across the battlefield. The Mercedes-Benz L3000 was another widely used German military truck during World War II. Built for reliability and heavy-duty transport, it carried troops, fuel, and equipment to the front lines. Its durable design made it a dependable logistics vehicle throughout the war. The Krupp L3H163 was a heavy military truck used by German forces for transporting large equipment and supplies. With a strong chassis and powerful engine, it was capable of carrying heavier loads compared to the standard transport trucks. The Borgward B3000 served as another important logistics vehicle for German forces. It was used to move supplies, ammunition, and troops across different battlefronts during the war. The Opel Blitz was the backbone of German military logistics during World War II. Designed as a medium cargo truck, it transported troops, ammunition, and supplies across the battlefield. With thousands produced, the Blitz became one of the most recognizable German military vehicles of the war. The Ford V3000S was produced by Ford's German branch and used extensively by the Wehrmacht. It served as a general-purpose transport truck, carrying troops, equipment, and supplies across multiple theaters of the war. The Magyarországos S3000 was a medium cargo truck used by German forces during World War II. Known for its reliable air-cooled engine, it was capable of operating in a variety of harsh environments. The truck transported supplies, equipment, and personnel across multiple battlefronts. The Henschel 33D1 was one of the heavier trucks used by the German military. With a strong chassis and powerful engine, it was designed to carry heavier loads such as artillery equipment and military supplies. The Einheits diesel truck was developed as a standardized military vehicle for German forces. Several manufacturers produced it under the same specifications, making maintenance and logistics easier across the army. The MAN ML4500 was a heavy transport truck used by German forces in the later stages of the war. Built for durability and load capacity, it was often used to move supplies and equipment across long distances. The Fawn L900 was a heavy-duty truck designed for demanding transport tasks. It was capable of hauling heavy equipment and large supply loads, making it valuable for long-distance logistics operations. The Büsing-Neg 4500 was a heavy cargo truck widely used by German forces during World War II. It was designed to transport large amounts of equipment, fuel, and supplies to the front lines. The truck's strong frame and reliable engine made it suitable for long-distance logistics operations. The Mercedes-Benz LG 3000 was an all-wheel drive military truck designed for rough terrain. Its off-road capability allowed it to operate in difficult environments where standard trucks struggled. It was often used to transport troops and supplies across muddy or uneven battlefields. The Krupp Protze L2H143 was a light military truck commonly used to tow artillery pieces. Its unique six-wheel design provided improved traction and stability on rough terrain. In addition to towing guns, it was also used to transport artillery crews and ammunition. The Vomag 8 LR was a heavy military truck used for transporting large equipment and supplies. Its robust construction allowed it to carry heavy loads over long distances. Vehicles like the WOMAG played a key role in keeping German military units supplied. The Hanomag SS 100 was a powerful heavy tractor used by German forces during World War II. It was commonly used at airfields to tow aircraft and heavy equipment. Its strong engine and durable design made it capable of handling extremely heavy loads. The Mercedes-Benz L4500 was one of the heavier transport trucks used by German forces during World War II. Designed for durability and load capacity, it was capable of carrying large quantities of equipment and supplies across long distances. Trucks like the L4500 played an essential role in keeping military units supplied. The Borgward B3000A was an all-wheel drive version of the B3000 military truck. Its enhanced traction allowed it to operate effectively in muddy or rough terrain. This made it especially useful on the Eastern Front, where road conditions were often difficult. The Steyr 1500A was a light transport vehicle widely used by German forces during the war. It was often used to carry officers, troops, and small amounts of equipment. Its compact design and all-wheel drive system made it capable of operating in challenging terrain. The Phänomen Granit 1500 was a light cargo truck used by German forces during World War II. It was commonly used to transport supplies, equipment, and personnel between logistical points. The Tatra T111 was a heavy-duty truck produced in occupied Czechoslovakia and used by German forces late in the war. Its powerful engine and rugged design allowed it to transport extremely heavy loads across difficult terrain. And that's a look at some of the trucks used by Germany during World War II. Subscribe for more military vehicle breakdowns.